Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nisa Homey and I create healthy and nutrient dense recipes. Today I'm sharing a tasty and filling oil-free salad recipe which is a perfect healthy meal for lunch or for dinner. Instead of oil in this weight loss salad, I'm using natural healthy fats which will not only make this weight loss salad nutrient dense but also will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. So this filling and healthy weight loss salad is a perfect meal to include in your weight loss journey. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make this weight loss salad, first I'm boiling 2 ears of sweet corns and I will be using only 1 ear of sweet corn in this recipe. The other one is as a meal prep. So once the corn is peeled, I am boiling it in water along with 2 small potatoes and pink Himalayan salt as needed. Sweet corn is actually a whole grain and is a low-fat complex carb and is a good source of fiber. Boiled potatoes are naturally rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly potassium, phosphorus, B-complex vitamins and vitamin C. Boiled potatoes are low in calories and fat and their high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Now while they are getting cooked, I have already chopped 2 medium-sized carrots, half of a capsicum, half of an onion and 2 small cucumbers. Once the potatoes and the corns are cooked, remove them and allow it to cool down. And now I am removing the corn kernels into a bowl. I am using only 1 ear of corn in this recipe. The other one I will be meal prepping for next day's meal. If you are making this salad for 2 or 3 people, then you can use 2 ears of corn. Okay, once the potatoes have cooled down, peel off the skin and then chop it into small cubes. And once the potatoes are cubed, I am adding in some masalas to flavor it. So first I am seasoning it with pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Add in 1 finely chopped green chili. You can increase or decrease green chili to suit your taste. Now lightly mix this up and then add in some fresh coriander leaves. About 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves would be ideal. Squeeze in half a lemon and mix everything and then keep this aside. Now let's make a vegan and oil-free mayonnaise dressing for this salad. I have already soaked 15 cashew nuts in my small chutney grinder and after 10 minutes of soaking the cashew nuts, discard the water. And to make oil-free dressing, add in 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. And guys, when you are using apple cider vinegar, use good quality apple cider vinegar which has the mother, as it contains healthy gut-friendly bacteria. Add in 3 garlic cloves, juice of half a lemon, pink Himalayan salt as needed and pulse it for around 20 to 30 seconds and after that this is how it looks. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and blend it again to a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now into a plate, I have already added the vegetables and the masala coated potatoes sprinkled with some coriander leaves along with 1 ear of boiled corn. The oil-free dressing is also ready. As you can see, the salad dressing is thick and creamy. I have already shared an eggless mayonnaise recipe with the similar ingredients and also shared an oil-free egg sandwich and oil-free paneer paratha. Links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. I prefer to make this salad on weekends, preferably on a Sunday, so that the whole family can enjoy it. Now drizzle in 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of the oil-free salad dressing and that makes it a perfect guilt-free weight loss salad dressing recipe. The healthy fat will help to make this salad more nutrient dense and my healthy oil-free vegan salad is ready to serve. Enjoy this healthy, tasty and filling salad with your family and friends. Leftover salad dressing can be stored in the fridge for a couple of days and can be used as a spread for sandwiches or parathas. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.